This is Teacher Grace of Speak Up. Have a pleasant day.
We are going to do one more time. Wait a second, sorry. Make 2 seconds. Ready?
Weaknesses.
Roll your eyeball. I want you to one more time.
Okay. Sorry.
It's okay. Sorry. Okay, perfect. Don't worry.
Sorry.
Roll your eyeball. Okay.
Sorry.
It's okay.
Sorry.
This time, perfect. And I'm gonna ask.
To find wait a moment.
Okay. Wait a second.
Hi everyone. I'm Grace, an education graduate. I have been teaching English for more than 3 years. I have taught modular classes as well as ESL in different nationalities and ages, whether it be online or offline. Teaching is my passion, which leads me to be a dedicated teacher in this field. So book my class now and let's get started. My method of teaching depends on the level of the student. In order to have an efficient class, I gauge the learning style by giving an activities. By that, I can know what are their strengths and weaknesses in the 4 macro skills. I make sure the pedagogic approach I chose is relevant to my teaching and to the students' learning. Online class is beneficial to teachers and students. Both have the ability to conduct the class 24/7 from across multiple time zones. It is also a feasible way to access materials and prepare for it in advance. At the same time, no need to travel in distance. It is sure to be convenient as long as the connection is stable. Speak Up is a community that helps students to choose their desired teachers that can guarantee their learning needs. They are giving the students the freedom as to when the class will take part at a reasonable cost. Learning English is a continuous process which needs to deal with every aspect of learning, and the most pivotal factor is communication. Speak up, express yourself in order for you to love the language and be used to it. For more details or information, please refer to the description below. Any question about further details, just feel free to leave your questions or comments in the comment section and I will do my best to reply to you through the soonest possible time. Please leave comments only in English.